we are going to be doing some cooking videos, and this is one of our most favorite recipes to make here at our house, at the Johnson house, so I'm going to walk you through it. So we're basically using a basic French toast recipe, but instead of using bread, we're using fresh croissants. And so for eggs, we're using eggs from our chickens. As you can see, there's a little feather there. So this is unwashed eggs, so they're extra fresh because they have that protective membrane on it. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these eggs because you want to always wash your fresh eggs just to be extra safe. You don't have to do this when it comes to your eggs at the grocery store because those are already pasteurized. But you do want to do that with your fresh farm eggs. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make my mix for French toast. Just a little bit of milk and egg. That's it. Just doing grab. So that's done. And now these are fresh farm organic blueberries that we have. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some brown sugar, and then I'm just going to muddle them, just crush them up. And then I also like to add some of our raw honey to it. My honey that I prefer for this particular recipe is our blueberry orange blossom, and this is honey that doesn't have any flavoring to it. It's just equidistant to blueberries and orange groves. So I do like to have raw honey in it. There we go. And we're mashing again. So now that I've got this here, I'm going to give this another bit of a stir. These are wonderful croissants that we've got, and I'm just going to drench them into the batter. Saturate them into the batter. And then we're going to cook these up. I need to make some more mix because you see that pretty much absorbed it quite a bit. This is our absolute favorite thing to eat for brunch. Saturating it with all of this yummy mix. And then the other thing that you can do is, see how I've got some mix left over? You can add like 2 more eggs to that and make some really fluffy eggs to complement it, so that way you're not wasting anything. I don't like waste at all when it comes to food. So I'm going to take everything now over to the stove, and I'm going to mash it up just a little bit more. I love to cook with cast iron skillets. I mean, there's nothing like it. They'll outlast you, and you'll have to will them away if you take good care of it. And we'll have some videos on how to care for these cast iron skillets and how you go about cleaning them too. So I'm going to put this on about a medium heat. I've got it here on my skillet here, and then you always want to heat up your skillet before you start to cook on it. So this is one that we've got, and I've got all kinds of skillets, and everything from Le Creuset to Lodge, and some other brands as well. And so I'll do a video about the different options that you have, and I've tried them all. There's some that I like a little bit better than others, and actually some of the ones that I like aren't the most pricier ones out there in the market. So we're gonna let this cook, and I like to maybe leave it cooking for about, let's say, a minute or 2. A little bit of timer here. 2 minutes. And this right here, I had it on low heat because you always want to heat it. So I'm gonna bring this down to like a medium heat here. And we've got our mix over here working, kind of smashing it because I love the feel of and the texture that the cast iron skillets gives. You want to make sure that you're seeing how it's nice and brown here. That's what you're kind of going for. So it doesn't take too long. It's a super easy recipe. You want to have them again brown on the top, kind of squish them down a little bit. They don't fall apart. What I don't care about the other type of French toast that you use regular bread and you get this like dip in it, and it, like everything just kind of sinks in the middle and it gets soggy in the middle, and that's just no fun. And so I'm gonna, another cast iron, I'm gonna put that over here because I'm gonna have my eggs going there. So this is our brunch for today. And I need to pick up the heat up on this other thing that I've got going here, my syrup, my blueberry syrup that I've got going. It's 2 minutes. There we go. Here we go. And see, that's all there really is to it. It's 2 minutes, quick and easy, and taking them off before it gets too, I don't want to burn them. And so I can go ahead and plate these up nicely. And check this out. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's got this wonderful blueberry syrup that we've made with honey. And this is just so delicious. It's got chunks of blueberry in there. And with the buttery croissant, it's absolutely fabulous. And it was so easy. You see, I've done the whole thing. I didn't stop the video once. And then I like to garnish it with some fresh organic almonds. Here we go. If you want to be really naughty, you can throw some powdered sugar over it, or you can do a little bit of a honey drizzle. And you know, I love to naughty things up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be posting another video of how we make our eggs to finish off this meal. So I thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed. This is one of our favorite dishes to make for brunch. Thank you so much, and I hope you check us out. Thanks and have a blessed day.